Oh, yeah.
Morning. We're in a little bit of a heat wave here in Victoria. We're expecting 38 degrees today. That's just killer for this area. So I'm heading out with a buddy of mine, and we're gonna go ride one of the standard classics in this area. It's just the Goose Rail Trail, but in total it'll be, for me, probably about 125, 130k. So maybe we'll go swimming halfway along. So come along, let's just go take a classic Victoria ride.
Victoria is a very cycling-oriented city and graced with a network of bike paths, converted rail trails, and connector paths. The two most predominant paths in the area are the 30-kilometer Lochside Regional Trail and the 55-kilometer Galloping Goose Regional Trail. Lochside Trail allows cyclists coming off the ferry from Vancouver to ride directly into Victoria, and is a mix of bike paths, rail trails, and bridleways.
Love the jersey.
Oh, thanks.
This 30-kilometer path joins the Galloping Goose, where you can either go 5 kilometers directly into downtown, or venture west to the adjoining communities. Developed in 1987 to 89, the Galloping Goose is primarily a rail grade for the most part. While it's paved in the urban areas, most of it is gravel. The 55-kilometer ride will take cyclists through the community of Saanich, Royalview, Langford, Colwood, Metchosin, East Sooke, and Sooke, eventually leading north along the Sooke River. The name, Galloping Goose, comes from the type of rail car that was used on the line between 1922 and 1931. However, the name is disputed by the Sooke Regional Museum and longtime residents that say the name was really a regional district marketing ploy.
You're allowed to act like a dork.
The best thing about this trail is the final section passes by Matheson Lake and up to the Sooke Potholes Provincial Park and Kapora Regional Park. There's a campground inside the park, which makes this a perfect first-time trip for those new to bikepacking. The trail ends at the old site of Leechtown, named after the creek that bore over $100,000 worth of gold in its first year. By the fall of 1964, the town had grown to 1,200 people, with 6 general stores, 3 hotels, and 30 saloons. The area is not short of folklore, stories of caves concealing 2-foot wide gold veins, to miners who buried their riches There's even a tale about hidden Spanish gold ingots. While the Sooke Potholes is an amazing network of pools linked together by small waterfalls, this area gets busy in the summer, so Barry and I are going to go farther up the river for a swim where there should be nobody around. Don't be shocked if you see some naked bodies up this far.
Oh, here we go. Brr. Oh, yeah. Woo, that's cool. Oh, man, that is fresh. I used to live in Tokyo.
Yeah.
It's a little different.
Yeah. This is pretty awesome.
Oh, man. Hello. Oh, that is so good. Hey? That is great. Wow. Oh, this is like just what I needed today.
After an hour in the river, we decided it was time to make our way back. The shelter of the forest canopy provides very little reprieve from the near 40-degree heat now. Once back in the urban area, the temperatures climb even more. Thanks for joining Barry and me on this fun ride. If you enjoyed this and other videos here, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. And remember, be safe and have fun. Later.